I think photography has been for me for a long time a way of expressing myself. I remember when I was a young kid and my dad had a couple of film cameras and he let me take a couple of photos with it, and I remember that was the beginning of a long journey with the camera. People are oftentimes actually sending me messages asking like how I can do what you're doing, and I think oftentimes the place where they are writing is they are probably working on school or working at a job, and they just see the lifestyle of traveling and, you know, laying on the beach or whatever, and that's just like very tiny bit of it. There's a lot of work around it. That's a long road even to get to a place where, you know, you might be flying somewhere and somebody's paying for your meal. The most important like lesson or the thing that I think I would encourage would be just focusing on your own work, really knowing what you want to do, what is the kind of area that you really love doing, and becoming master at it. I think the best way to get inspired and excited about life would be just to go out and be courageous and explore. That's how you find out what you love, and that's what you should hold on to.